Alright, here's how you can play Game Boy and Game Boy Color games on your Linux PC. Now, to follow this tutorial, you're going to need a couple things. A Linux PC, a controller, link in the description. Any controller will work, but I have one I personally prefer, and a computer mouse. It will make your life much easier. And so, there will be links in the description below for everything that you see here today. First step, open up Sameboy. Yay! This is a flat hub for your Linux computer. If you do not have flatpaks set up, I have a tutorial link in the description for you to have that and get it set up for both Debian and Arch. But most distros come with it pre-installed. So here we see Sameboy. You're going to click install. And it pops up really easily because it's a flatpak. And you wait for your software manager to load. And it pops up right here. Sameboy. You click install and you wait. Because of course you have to wait. And boom, it's done. Wow, look at that. See, we have Sameboy. For you it might take longer, but we're gonna hit launch. I'm gonna close out that. And boom, Sameboy. Right here like that. Close out of Firefox, we don't need that anymore. We're going to open this, and we're going to use our arrow keys to navigate down to options. Enter. We'll be under control options. Joypad options. Here you can see it detects our controller. If it is your first time using this, you will have to manually scroll from none to have your controller. And we will enter on configure layout. So you'll go right, A, B, select, start, double menu, turbo, rewind, slow motion, hotkey 1, hotkey 2, rapid A, rapid B, move your analog stick, and just like that, it is done. Click back. Excellent. Next, you're going to open up your ROM. Here I have my ROM file, which is Mario Land, creatively renamed to be Mario Land. You're going to drag and drop it over. Don't pirate your ROM. I will be mad, and it will play audio. Here we see we click start button, and we are playing. This has been a brief tutorial. I hope you all enjoy. Buy yourself a computer mouse. Don't suck at games as much as I do, and have a good one. See ya.